food. David, eat up. You will be wasting so much food.
Somebody will pick it up.
Sir, that can's not in a trash can.
Honey, I don't feel like walking the extra mile to pick that up.
Why is there no sun today? It's just rain, rain, and more rain. We should do something to conserve this water. I know! We can use rain barrels! Yeah!
What?
What can we do with all this paper? Maybe we could recycle it.
Or maybe we could reuse it.
Mister, what can we do with all this paper?
You can do a lot of certain things with the paper. Like you can use it back, or you can recycle it.
Thank you. With a horn. What is it doing? It's recycling. That's right, I'm recycling.
Why?
You just left the water on.
It was only one time.
What time? You just wasted like a gallon of water.
You're being a drama queen.
Make sure you go one after the other. My radar picks up a litter. Pull over! I repeat, pull over! Pick it up! No! Catch it!
Pick it up or go to jail.